Okay, so today we are going to modify the previous project. So first of all, I did the database, double click on the database, double click or just right click on the table and go to design view. Here we are having the 4 fields: student ID, name, address and contact number. So now we are going to add the subjects: web designing, VB2, RDBMS and network infra. Then according to those subjects we will count the total marks of a student, percentage and grade of a student. So first of all you have to add the fields, new fields. The first one is web underscore designing. This is in number, then VB number. What is next? RDBMS.
Yes.
RDBMS number, network basic. Okay, so we have inserted 4 new fields. Just close the database, save. G number, because we are going to save numbers, marks. देखिए marks store की the student. Now start project, the previous project. Okay, now just set the alignment of the buttons. Move this checkbox and update button to top. Yes. Search name and ID, search ID. Delete button. Okay. Navigations. ठीक. Okay, then save and add buttons. Now set the alignment of these text boxes. Move this one to top. Okay, now here you have to insert 4 fields. Yes, 4 fields for the subjects, web designing. In double click on the label, insert 4 labels, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, using control click, select all of 4 labels and change the auto size property to true. Yes. Yes. Auto size property. Yes. Reduce the height of this one and move this. Now just change the caption of each label. The first one is web designing, second one VB, VB2, the third one to RDBMS 2. Okay. Network infra. Now just insert for 4 text boxes: first, second, third and fourth. And the last one is right here. Remove the text. Here is the text property, okay, from here. Text 2 and this one. Now just provide proper names to each text box. The first one is for web designing. So here is the name TXT web. TXT mean text box, TXT VB, TXT RDBMS, TXT network, net, TXT net. Okay. Next thing, this is the complete design. This is a design. Next thing, you have to connect the each field to according to that field. You have to select the field from the database. For each text box you have to select the field from database using the data source property and data field property. So select web designing, and here is property data source. In data source you have to select the connection. Then in data field you have to select web designing. The first text box for the web designing. Same method for the second one. First select data source and then data field VB. Data source and field should be RDBMS, and the last one in network infra. Clear? Okay, now just try to add a new record. Okay, before adding new record, right click on the data grid control. Right click on the data grid control to retrieve new fields from the database. Now we have 4 fields. These are the old one. For retrieving new fields, selecting new fields, just right click on the data grid and select retrieve fields from the database. Replace existing grid. Yes, this will replace the current form. Okay, so these are the web designing, VB, RDBMS. Just increase the width of form and display the remaining subjects. Up to here. Increase the width of shape. Okay. Select all these controls. Now you can move these controls to right. Okay. Start your project. This is the design. Okay. There is no record inside the database. Click on the add button. Insert a new record. Student ID number 1. Ali from Peshawar. Contact number. Marks in web designing, for example 88. In VB2 77. 98. Network infra 89. And save record. Record has been saved. Okay, now just check inside the database. Double click on the table. Record has been inserted. Okay, next thing, we are going to calculate the total marks of a student. Total marks of a student, percentage, grade, in status of a student, pass or fail. Clear? So what will be the first step? No. Should we will we declare the fields inside the database for this purpose or not? Ramin? Brahimi maqsad the database field declare me kunam yani. Brahim for displaying the total marks of a student, percentage, and grade and status at the student is fail or pass. Yes. Okay. So should I display the total mark of student in label or should I use the text boxes? Text box use kam or kana label ki display kam? Double click on label. Change the caption of this label to total marks. Next is for percentage. Grade, and the last one is status. G. Position. Now, at a time the you student record display keng. At a time a single record for a single student will be displayed. Okay. Using control click, select all of the 4 labels and change the auto size property to true. Now insert 4 text boxes. Select all, control click. Remove the text. And change the name of these text boxes. The first one is txt total, txt per, txt grade, and txt status. Okay. Now run time, we have to calculate the total marks of a student and grade, percentage, and the next one is status. So on form load, double click on form, you have to assign the total values of these 4 text boxes to the total mark, txt total. So double click on the form, and here you have to assign the value txt total equals txt total dot text equals to the text of web designing, text of VB, RDBMS and network. txt web dot text plus txt VB dot text plus txt rdbms dot text plus txt net dot text. Clear? So using this method you are going to assign the values of these 4 text boxes to txt total, but still there is an error. Let me start the project. 88, 77, 98 and 89 are concatenated and displayed inside this total marks. This is due to integer function, int function. In previous semester we have studied. So before this one, just write int. Int is a function, integer function. This converts the value to integer format. Int. Bas. Now start. So the total mark of this student is displayed in the. Now on behalf of this total mark, you have to count the percentage. For each subject we have 100 marks. The her subject 100 marks we gonna. So total mark are 100 and this one is called as obtained mark, not the total mark. Obtained marks. Obtained. Okay, again double click on the form and runtime. Runtime, you have to assign the value, the percentage from the txt total to txt percent. Double click on form. This statement, this line is for total marks. The next line is txt per dot text equals to txt total dot text multiply by 100 divided by 400. Now start. This is the percentage. Okay, if you want to display the symbol of percent, so just concate. What is the concatenation operator? And yes, shift 7, and in double quotes you have to if you want to insert some space between the 88 and percent symbol, so just insert add a space right here. Clear? Next thing, just calculate the grade. And grade is dependent on the percentage. If percentage is greater than 90, so the grade will be displayed A. If percentage is greater than 80, B, then C. Okay, so name of this text box is txt grade, and this one is dependent on the txt percent, per. Double click on form, and right here you have to calculate the grade of a student. So just write if txt per dot text equals to, okay, wait, I am going to remove this symbol. Okay, first let me complete the project, then I will tell you. If txt per percentage dot text equal to 90, greater than or equal to 90, then txt grade dot text equal to A. Else if txt per dot text equal to greater than or equal to 80, then txt grade dot text should be B. Else if txt per dot text equal to greater than or equal to 70, then grade should be C, and else if txt per dot text greater than or equal to 60, the grade should be D. And if, close the if statement, and if start, the student of this the grade of this student is B, and the percentage is 88, less than 90 and greater than 80. Mention if the percentage is greater than 80, then the grade should be B. Okay, now here you have to display the status of a student, and status is dependent again on the percentage, so this one is status, txt status, double click on form. At last, right here you have to display the status of a student. If txt per dot text is greater than or equal to 60, then the student is pass. Txt percentage dot text is greater than or equal to 60, then txt status dot text equal to pass, else txt status dot text equal to fail, and if. Now start, student is pass. Clear dekha na? Okay, next thing, we have removed the percent symbol from here. Now I am going to add the percent symbol. Right here, concate in operator, double quotes, start, space, percentage, and double quote. Okay, debug, type mismatch, here is problem. Due to this problem I have removed this symbol. Okay, so now we have to resolve this problem. I am just going to concate right here, same like this one, and operator, double quote started, then space, percentage, and double quote, finished. Copy this and paste it right here. Paste. Okay. Here also you have to paste this. Now start. Clear or not? Okay. Now we are going to add another record. Add a new record. Okay, so these text boxes should be clear. While I am pressing the add button, so the text boxes should be clear. So double click on the add button. Here you have to clear the text boxes. Name of the first text box is txt total dot text equals to nothing. Txt per dot text equals to nothing. Txt grade dot text equals to nothing, and the last one is txt status. Now start. We have cleared the text boxes. On the click event of add button, now add a new record. Student ID 2, Jawad, Kabul, contact number, web designing, for example 33 22 23. Save record. Record has been saved. Okay, the tana display ki. So you have to add same code, the code which we have added on the form load. You have to add same code on the click event of the data grid. Start project. Stop the project, and here is the code for these 4 text boxes on the form load. Copy this complete code. Control C. Now double click on the data grid. Make sure the click event is selected right here. Tool name is data grid 1 and event is click. Just paste it right here. Now start project. Clear? Click event मतलब दा दे हर कल चिप पर data grid की यो नवी record मानी click शी दागा record दे display शी. Da fail देगा ना. Da बने. Yes. Ali is passed and he is displaying the percentage of the Jawad. Okay. Sahi. Gora, just remove the code from the form load. On form load, here is code. Just make comment. For comment, you have to use single quote. Comment मतलब द लाइन में नहीं साथी की पगी. ज़खो comment कम सिर्फ का ना. The coding disabled.